Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make your song private on Suno. First, open the Suno application. You can see over here it has been opened. Tap on the library icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. After that, you'll be able to see your songs over here. Right next to the song, you'll be able to see the three dots. Tap on it. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Right over here at second last you can find the option for unpublished song. Tap on it. Tap on the option unpublish. Now the song will be unpublished. That means your song will be private now. Like this, you'll be able to make your song private on Suno AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.